find the cross product using determinants. What's a determinant? Determinant is an array, basically a square array of elements, maybe a 2 by 2 or say 3 by 3, etc. So we can write as A1, A2, B1, B2, some numbers, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3, etc. The number of rows or columns is known as the order of the determinant. Most of the times we deal with second or say order 2 or say order 3, etc. here. In order to find the cross product, we first need to understand how to expand a second order determinant and a third order determinant. So look at this one. We have A1, A2, B1, B2. Now to expand this, I will first multiply these two, A1 and B2, then subtract and then A2, B1 or B1, A2. So A1, B2 minus A2, B1. How to do it for the third order determinant? To simplify it, first I will take A1 and treat it as a 2 order or say second order determinant. This is what I have. Then what do? I will now take this one minus A2 and then I will take B1, C1, B3, C3. This is what I have. Then I will take A3 and then I will take this determinant B1, B2, C1, C2. That's what I have here. Now it becomes a simple job because now you have a second order determinant and you know how to do that. So A1, B2, C3 minus, what's it going to be? Minus C2, B3 or B3, C2. Then minus A2 and then you have B1, C3 minus B3, C1 or C1, B3 plus A3 then B1, C2 minus B2, C1 or C1, B2. This is how you expand this. Now, in order to simplify A cross B, what do? You have A is equal to AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZK cap. And B is equal to BXI cap plus BYJ cap plus BZK cap. So the first step is to construct a third order determinant. The top arrow is written as IJK. The top arrow is IJK. Then the second is AX, AY, AZ. And the third is BX, BY, BZ. So I construct a determinant here. And then how to simplify this determinant? You know how to do this. Then I will take this. This is the result. Then what am I doing? I am going to take minus j, right? So I am going to take minus j here and then this and this. You know how to do this. This is the result. And then finally I am going to take, by the way, this is j, this is j, this is AX, AY, AZ, and this is BX, BY, BZ, right? So now what is it? This is, I'll take this K and then I'll form a determinant, second order determinant whose solution is here. So this is how to find the cross product of two vectors by the method of determinant.